Well, I finally got a day here in the Texas summer that's not quite so hot, but if you can see back behind me, there's a pretty good old rain cloud up there. So I may be throwing my rods in the truck and hauling butt here in a minute, but hey, until then let's go see if we can catch some fish. There he is. Man, just as soon as it hit the water. There we go. Man, that one there, as soon as that spinnerbait hit the water, that baby took it. He hit it hard. Let's go get another one. There we go. Ah, heck, it's a dadgum stick. Tree bass. Sure felt like a fish. Hey, oh! I didn't get that hook set. He just sat down on it. He didn't just like grab it. I didn't realize he even had a fish. Well, it's starting to rain. I may have to make a run for it. Throw a few more times. Water's kind of muddy over here. I thought I'd try a white one. Maybe they can see it better. Let's see what happens. There we go. It's laying right there in front of me, right in the bank. Maybe I got something. Put this white one on here in this dirty water. Maybe they can see it better. Well, yesterday I had to leave a little early. It started raining. I didn't know if it was going to start lightning or not, but I'm back today. It's a little calmer. Still a little overcast today, but the pond's fairly calm, so I think I'm going to take the flat bottom boat out today and see if we can catch some bass. So, hey, let's get in, let's go. Oh, there we go. Hey, it's not a bad little bass there. Looky here. Looky here. Nice bass right there. Turned him loose. See if we can catch another one. There he is. Oh, not a bad one. It wasn't biting very fast, so I put on a chartreuse and blue spinnerbait. I don't hardly ever use chartreuse and blue, but heck, why not? I tried that first cast. Got one. Hey, got one right there. Caught that one on black and chartreuse, or black and yellow, whichever you want to call it. I'm having to just keep changing baits today. They're hitting on the spinner baits, but that's 3 fish, 3 different colors. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching this little combination of bank fishing, John boat fishing. We caught a few fish, not a lot, but hey, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Hey, subscribe to my channel, and next time, catch you later.